Hey, first off, I want to say how excited I am to be here again with you. Did you guys enjoy the product launch last night? What do you think about the DX4? You excited about that? Yeah? Who's excited about it? I'm telling you guys, this will be a revolutionary product. We're really excited about it. I actually have a t-shirt here. Who wants a t-shirt? There you go. All right, good catch, good catch. Good catch. Hey, real quick, before I get started, I just want to give a big shout out to all of our operation employees around the world. I had the opportunity yesterday to meet with your country managers, and I made the point there that, you know, the last few years as it's been so different with the pandemic and social distancing and quarantining, through that entire time, did your products ever stop coming? Were your products always there? Yes. And I just want to recognize our operational employees around the world from Forever Direct, Aloe Vera America, Forever Nutraceuticals, Universal Aloe, who I'm going to talk a little bit about here today. But can we just give them a big round of applause? I got to tell you, I know some of them are logged in today listening, and I just wanted them to know how much we appreciate and we love them. When a lot of us had the opportunity to stay home and, you know, as the unknown was unfolding before us, they were there at the facilities because they care about you as our FBOs. They understand the impact that what they do in that manufacturing plant at 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning affects your business. And I just want them to know how proud I am of what they did. Thank you. So, Garen mentioned the word sustainability. And this has become kind of a buzzword, kind of a trendy word in the last number of years, and with good reason. But I want you to know that we at Forever, we were doing this long before sustainability was trendy. This is something that has been important to us for many, many, many years. It was something that Rex instituted. It is something that Greg has definitely picked up and carried on as we move into the future. We believe and feel that we are a global citizen in Forever. We believe that when you go out and you represent us, you are putting your reputation on the line. And we want you to be always feel confident in what we're doing in regards to us being a good global citizen. So, I want to talk about Aloe Vera America, Forever Nutraceuticals, and Forever Direct. We have implemented robust recycling programs, award-winning recycling programs. Anything in our facilities that can be recycled, we recycle. Now, is it cheaper to grab that stuff together and throw it in the garbage? Absolutely. But that's not who we are. We have recycling programs where we recycle any cardboard, wood, plastics, whatever it may be, to make sure, again, that we are doing our part. We're always looking at making sure that we use packaging that can be recycled. And as we move into the future, we're looking at how we can include recycled plastics when we need to use plastic or paper into our actual packaging now. Again, making sure that we have that continuous flow of recyclability in our system to, again, make sure that we're doing our part. And we have award-winning standards. As I walk through these things, now a lot of what I'm going to touch here is kind of technical, so I'm going to go slow, all right, and explain some of these things to you. And you may not think, you might think, oh, this is kind of boring, how does this apply? But what I want you to walk away from in the next 10 minutes is that Forever cares. Forever cares. You may not understand everything I'm going to touch on, and that's okay, but Forever cares, and we go above and beyond what we are supposed to or need to do. All right? At Aloe Vera America, we have won what is called the Blue Thumb Award. Now, you guys have heard the term a green thumb, right? Somebody has a green thumb. They love gardening. They love plants. This is called the Blue Thumb Award. We've won this 6 years in a row, and this is for the way that we preserve, treat, and reduce our water consumption. Water is one of the greatest natural resources that we have. It's one of the most important ones that we have. Without water, everything else dies. And we are doing our part, and I'm really proud of our employees and the systems that we've implemented at Aloe Vera America to where we have received this award 6 years straight. Is that exciting? Absolutely. We also have received awarded the Pollution Prevention Award by the City of Dallas. This is a voluntary participation program, and this is what I want you to focus on. Not that we won the award. We did. Look at the key word there, voluntary. We are not required to do this. This takes extra time, energy, resources, and money on behalf of Aloe Vera America and our other facilities to qualify for these awards. It is a voluntary thing that we do. We have very important and prestigious certifications. ISO certifications, which are international standards. One that we are very proud of is 17025. This is the accreditation of our laboratory, all right? Now, I want to explain something to you. When you qualify for an ISO certification, there is a lot of paperwork you have to do, process and procedures you have to change and make sure that you're following. And in the end, there's an audit. Auditors come in and make sure that you're following these processes. This certification, particularly for our labs at Aloe Vera America and Forever Nutraceuticals, is something that is the highest in the industry. Very few laboratories across the world actually carry this certification. Why? Because the time, effort, energy, and money it takes. But for us, it's important. Why? Why at Forever would we do this? We don't need to, but why? Because we want to make sure our products are the best. We want to make sure that when you sit in front of someone on their couch, or you speak to them through Facebook or Instagram or on Zoom or whatever it may be, and you recommend our products, you can do it with absolute confidence that the quality is what we say it is, that they are safe, that they are effective, and these certifications give people confidence in that. We are trying to help back our reputation by backing your reputation. And again, this is something that we are extremely proud of. We have ISO certification 9001, which is manufacturing certifications following GMP, good manufacturing practices. 14001, which is environmental management safety. Again, something else where we are making sure as a global citizen, we are managing our systems to make sure we are minimizing the impact upon the environment. We have 14001, which is occupational and health and safety management. This is taking care of our employees. As much as you are a member of our Forever family, so are our employees. And we want to keep them safe and healthy as they are manufacturing the products that help you build your businesses. Also, we have our, as you guys know, our halal certifications, our kosher certifications. At Forever Nutraceuticals, we are certified by the Arizona State Board of Pharmacy. We receive this certification every year. Again, they come into our facility unannounced. They don't give you preparation. They walk in and they say, I want to see this, 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 this. They go through and they inspect our manufacturing processes. If you fail, you lose your certification. We don't fail. We don't ever fail, because that's the pride that our employees have in our products. All right. We also have the NTR certification. This goes with ISO 46001. This is specifically guidance required to water usage. Again, another award that we've won at both facilities, Forever Nutraceuticals and Aloe Vera America, in regards to our impact on the water within our facilities. We also have 50001, which is a standard specifically requirement for needs for energy efficiency, that we are doing what we can to reserve and conserve energy. Again, taking away and reducing our carbon footprint. We have gone through and installed high efficiency halogen lights or LED lights, throughout our facilities. We have making sure that our machines run through maintenance at their peak ability to make sure that we are minimizing our impact, our carbon footprint likewise. In our aloe fields, We've reduced our water consumption by up to 90% by installing a drip system rather than using sprinklers. Now, I got to tell you, this was a multi-million-dollar investment. Did we need to do it? Did we have to do it? No. But again, water being a great natural resource, and again, our ability and desire to be able to be a great global citizen, we've installed this system to reduce our water consumption there. And I want you to think about this for a moment also. We have 50 million approximately aloe plants in our. You know how I know this? I went and counted each and every one of them. Now, don't believe that at all. We know how many acres we have. We know how many aloe plants per acre, so we can calculate approximately 50 million. Do you understand the amount of CO2 that 50 million plants can help process to help the air be clean? And we keep these plants in tip-top shape. In a minute, you'll get to hear a little bit more about our aloe fields. I'm really excited for you to see this. We process about 200,000 pounds of leaves every day. Think about that. Think about 200,000 pounds. You saw the video, the opening video, where they started in the fields and you saw the truck pulling the trailer and our employees out there that were cutting the aloe plants. 200,000 pounds a day to be able to send you your aloe vera gel, your mango, your freedoms, your ABNs, and to be able to include that in the other products, and your heat lotions and your infinite kits, whatever it might be. 200,000 pounds. What we do with that waste, the outer rind, because you guys know we only use the inner gel where the nutritional value is. That outer rind gets processed and out to the fields and recycled. That's the care that we take. That's how important it is to us. Our aloe fields, I have to tell you, are absolutely gorgeous. When I saw that video when we were playing it, I get a little emotional watching that. And I got to tell you, seeing Rex there at the end, also, I got a little emotional. The standards that Rex set for us as executives, as employees, that he passed on to Greg, and the standards that Greg has set and even has pushed us further. We take them serious, very serious. This is who we are as a company, and we hope this is that you are as proud as we are of who we are, that you're proud to be part of Forever. Now, I want to introduce you to a gentleman. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.